Hello there! Welcome back to the studio for another Altburg Market painting session. In this episode, we'll be tackling the painting of the rustic stall from the tools, crates, and barrels kit. Constructed simply from poles and a tarp, this rudimentary structure offers a prime opportunity to exercise our painting skills. We'll focus on adding realistic bark texture to the poles, ensuring they have an authentic appearance. Additionally, we'll breathe life into the canvas tarp with vibrant colors while we talk about the importance of terrain and scenery to elevate our tabletop adventures to new heights. This model was part of Tabletop World's Altburg Market Kickstarter. It was cleaned and primed in dark gray before a pale beige was applied on top of the tarp. We'll be using Vallejo colors, and as usual, we'll showcase all the colors we'll be using. Feel free to drop a comment if you have any questions. Terrain and scenery play a crucial role in hobby gaming, as they not only provide a visually appealing backdrop, but also add depth and immersion to gameplay. Today we delve into the captivating world of hobby gaming, a realm where imagination knows no bounds and adventure awaits at every turn. In this vibrant community, terrain and scenery aren't merely embellishments. They are the cornerstone of our immersive experiences, enriching our gameplay in ways that are both tangible and profound. Picture this. We and our friends gather around the tabletop, the air thick with anticipation as we prepare to embark on our next gaming adventure. Whether it's a riveting game of Dungeons & Dragons, an intense Warhammer or Warcry tournament, or any other role-playing or strategy game, the stage is set with meticulously crafted terrain pieces. These aren't just static objects, they're portals to fantastical realms, each one telling a story and igniting our imaginations with possibilities. But terrain and scenery offer more than just visual appeal. They are integral to the very fabric of gameplay itself. As we navigate the treacherous terrain, seeking cover for our troops, strategizing around obstacles, and seizing tactical vantage points, every hill, building, and tree becomes a dynamic element in the unfolding drama of our battles. With each move, we feel the thrill of conquest and the weight of strategic decision-making, all against the backdrop of a world that feels alive and ever-changing. Terrain and scenery also serve as educational tools, fostering an appreciation for geography, architecture, and history. Through immersive gameplay, we gain insights into the landscapes and structures of different cultures and time periods, enhancing our understanding of the world around us. Moreover, terrain and scenery provide opportunities for artistic expression and craftsmanship. From painting and customizing terrain pieces to building intricate dioramas, we can unleash our creativity and bring our gaming environments to life in stunning detail. This hands-on approach not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of our games, but also fosters a sense of pride and accomplishment in our creations. And let's not underestimate the sheer scale that terrain brings to our games. From towering mountains that loom over the battlefield to winding rivers that carve through the landscape, the varied terrain adds depth and dimension, making our battles feel epic in scope and grandeur. But perhaps the most magical aspect of terrain and scenery is their ability to foster camaraderie and creativity among fellow gamers. As we come together to build and customize our gaming environments, we forge bonds over shared experiences and inspire one another with our imaginative designs. It's a collaborative endeavor that brings us closer as a community, united by our passion for storytelling and adventure. So, my friends, the next time we gather for a gaming session, let's take a moment to appreciate the role of terrain and scenery in enhancing our experience. They are not mere accessories. They are the catalysts that ignite our imaginations and elevate our adventures to extraordinary heights. Let's embrace them, cherish them, and let them carry us on journeys beyond our wildest dreams. Throughout history, humanity has been captivated by the allure of miniature models. In ancient times, our ancestors crafted miniature figures from materials like clay, wood, and metal, depicting scenes from daily life, religious rituals, and epic battles. These intricate creations offered glimpses into the civilizations of Egypt, Greece, and Rome, showcasing the creativity and ingenuity of ancient artisans. As we transitioned into the medieval period, miniature models became treasured possessions among European nobility and royalty. From intricately detailed knights and castles to elaborate doll houses known as cabinets of curiosities, these miniature marvels captured the imagination of kings and queens, offering windows into a world of opulence and refinement. With the dawn of the Renaissance and Baroque periods, miniature art experienced a resurgence, with patrons commissioning exquisite works of miniature furniture, artwork, and architecture. These miniature masterpieces adorn the homes of the elite, serving as status symbols and testaments to wealth and sophistication. As the Industrial Revolution swept across the globe, miniature models entered a new era of mass production and accessibility. Advances in manufacturing techniques allowed for the creation of miniature toys, trains, and soldiers on a scale never before imagined, bringing joy and wonder to children and adults alike. In the 20th century, miniature models found new life in the world of tabletop gaming and wargaming, where enthusiasts gathered to engage in epic battles of strategy and imagination. Games like Dungeons & Dragons and Warhammer brought miniature figures and scenery into the mainstream, inspiring generations of gamers to paint, customize, and collect miniatures. Today, we find ourselves in a golden age of miniature modeling, where 3D printing technology has revolutionized the production process and unleashed a wave of creativity and innovation. Miniature models have found applications in industries ranging from architecture to film production, proving that even in the digital age, our fascination with small-scale representations of the world around us endures. As we reflect on the rich tapestry of history that has shaped the evolution of miniature models, we are reminded of the timeless appeal of these tiny treasures. From ancient civilizations to the present day, miniature models continue to capture our imagination and inspire us to explore new worlds, both real and imagined. And that concludes today's brief painting session. We hope you enjoyed this historical overview of miniature models and the discussion about the significant role of terrain and scenery in hobby gaming nowadays. If you enjoyed this video, a like would be greatly appreciated. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel. Your support means the world to us and keeps us motivated to create more content. Thank you for your ongoing support. In the next episode of the Altburg Market series, we'll breathe life into the craftsman and his grindstone. We'll continue our efforts to enhance the ambience of the tool stall with vibrant colors and intricate details to the best of our ability. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep on painting, and take care.